Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account that manages the place. This gives you the fastest path to removal. Once signed in, open Google Maps and find the exact pin, zoom in to ensure accuracy. If you see an option labeled Edit or Suggest an Edit, tap it. That's your first actionable step. Make sure to note whether you're listed as owner or just a contributor because your options will differ. If you are not the owner, you'll follow the reporting route instead. Once you choose Edit or Suggest an Edit, pick the reason that matches the issue: closed, moved, duplicate, or shouldn't exist. You want to be precise because Google triages requests based on the reason you supply. Vague reports take longer. Add supporting evidence: photos showing no signage, screenshots, or authoritative citations that prove the place is incorrect. After you submit, Google may take a few days to several weeks to review. Check the place history and your email for status updates. Finally, monitor the review result in Google Maps or, if applicable, your Google Business Profile dashboard. If Google approves, the listing will update or disappear. If denied, don't stop. Collect stronger evidence, request the owner claim, or escalate via the feedback option. Make sure to clear your app cache or view in incognito to confirm changes. Sometimes cache tiles show old info. If stale data persists after approval, resubmit the report and include screenshots showing the current incorrect map view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.